proper building. So physical infrastructure is a very
You
very
know
sticky
that we have
problem.
one program running SSA, Sarv
Sarv
Shiksha
Shiksha Abhiyan,
Abhiyan,
yes,
and we
I
are
know.
very much in good shape regarding the school buildings and all those things. So what are the deficiencies in SSA?
Many a times we come to know, like in if there are some election or some public function, then government schools are the first one which do get occupied by for these kind of
Okay, just tell me in points, what improvements would you suggest for improvement of education? Just points, no elaborations, just points.
okay, first of all, one thing I would one thing which I would implement is the review of the teacher from the students, even in the
Feedback.
government schools. Feedback, or you can
Next.
say what student feel about the teacher.
Next.
Okay, the next thing would be uh, availability of the, I mean, physical infrastructure of the school.
Physical infrastructure.
Of the
Next.
school, that they have proper electricity, sanitation,
Okay, fine,
all
fine.
those
Next.
things. The next thing is the evaluation. Okay, that is similar to first thing, the evaluation of the teacher
I'm
from
just
10 to
asking
10.
you points. Just tell me the points. Do not elaborate. Just tell me the points.
The first point is the review from the students.
Okay, you go. You
Second
told
point, the
2 points.
physical infrastructure. Third point is the uh, third point would be the ban on corporal punishment that has been in process but not effectively. It has been implemented.
Next.
This is all I can think right
Okay,
now.
fine.
Do you have heard some word like cyber?
Cyber.
What is the meaning of cyber?
Cyber is a is a matrix, is a net where so many connected nodes are there.
Something like in computer science there is a term called cyberspace. What is the meaning of cyberspace?
Cyberspace means when there are lot of nodes which can be, like computer can be termed as a node. When there are lot of nodes are connected, then that and they when they are connected to each other, they create a physical infrastructure. Then that
Which kind of connectivity you are talking about? Is it physical connectivity or some other connectivity?
physical connectivity through
So
wires or
always
through
cyberspace is related to some physical connectivity.
the, I'm including the wireless connectivity also in physical connectivity.
No, in social networking sites we are connected like in Facebook we are connected with friends. That is also called a cyberspace. We are connected like blogosphere. We are connected with people's using links or and all these things. This is also called cyberspace, I think.
Yeah,
So
so
in cyberspace is the kind of a virtual world in which you are connected with
but
buddy, some buddies or something like that. Okay, so you
skill
have heard about something term like cyber warfare.
cyber warfare, generally from one country try to destroy the cyberspace or the computer infrastructure that they have, IT infrastructure that they have, then such attempts comes into the category of the cyber warfare.
Recent examples, some recent examples of cyber war.
Recent examples, Shadow Red operation which was conducted by China to hack the websites and the other security IT avenues of other countries.
Against
And there were the famous case of Iran also, in which case Iran blamed the Israel and the United States for to hack their um, nuclear some nuclear research.
what was the name of virus that he?
I'm not able to recall that, sir.
Is India ready for cyber warfare? What are the institutions which are providing security for Indian cyber space to these kind of threats? Do you know some institutions which are providing security for these kind of threats in India?
Uh, there is a institute named CDEC,
Okay.
and apart from that,
What is the function of CDEC?
they try to advance, they do research, and they try to make advanced computer which and website and
Can you tell me the full form of CDEX?
not I'm not able to recall that right now.
Okay, in the if we talk about cyberspace in the social networking sites, there is a there is a section in IET recently used very much, section 66A of IT Act. Do you
Yes.
know about something about this section?
More particular, sir.
Himanshu, you said that in the our education sector is lacking good teachers, and you have a hobby of or your extracurricular activities as a volunteer teacher. So why do you why are you not continuing it as your I mean continuing as a teacher? Why are you coming in civil services or in administration?
So teaching is my hobby, and in the part time when I'm free, I like to teach people because I believe that I have some knowledge, and it will be beneficial if I share with others. But as a full-time profession, I believe that I this civil services has so many opportunities, so many avenues where I can invest this my potential. So that's why I feel that civil services is a broader, is a very generalist career which I can make up.
Even teaching is that like you are looking for I mean for the for an next generation, for the whole generation,
Yes, but
for the future of the
but
country.
I feel that civil services is very much general career. You can choose at many of times you will be provided with various departments, various organization, in various roles. So it will be uh, it will be interesting in that manner.
It is the monotonicity of the teaching career which you don't like about teaching, is it?
No, I'm not saying that it is monotonicity of the teaching career. I am saying that this is the
The generalism of
the
civil
civil
service
services
is what
which
is
is
more
attracting
attractive.
me. Yes.
Uh, what are the what is the role of a teacher in a society?
From a society point of view,
Yeah.
okay, the role of teacher, if we see from a society point of view, then it enlarges from just providing the knowledge of any subject, like moral teaching also, and also comes under this moral. I mean emphasis on morals, and uh, I can think of this only.
Okay. Where you have taught? I mean, at what level?
When I was in my graduation, at that time there was this NGO in my institution. So, in Professor H.C. Verma had the NGO Shiksha Sopan. So in that NGO I went for a year, and I taught physics there to student of standard 11 and 12.
Okay.
And after coming to Delhi, I also included in I pursued this interest of mine, hobby of mine.
In Delhi, where you taught?
There were few students in where I used to reside in Delhi. There were few children actually, so I used to taught them.
Your hobby is Sudoku solving.
Yes, sir.
What is a Sudoku?
The Sudoku is a puzzle which which constitute with the numbers. You have to solve that puzzle to filling out those numbers. In the
There are many puzzles with numbers. What makes it different?
it's just the rules of that puzzle which
Can
that
you
makes
name some other puzzle with similar puzzles?
similar category like of
Number puzzle.
I'm not able to recall right now, sir, but I am aware of those puzzles.
Okay. You did something on web development, right?
Yeah,
What did you do?
I design few websites in my college, and yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you know when web was started?
It was started in early 1990s, 92, I guess.
This is the third. I think this is 30th year, right?
This is the 30th year.
Sorry, you asked web, right? So, okay, I confused with the www.
Anyway, what is WWW?
World Wide Web, and
What is the definition of WWW?
it is World Wide Web means when a lot of computers all around the world, from all around the world, when they are connected to, when they are connected and there are few servers,
ये क्या ले
अरे सुन रहा है
then that infrastructure is called World Wide Web.
So infrastructure is World Wide Web.
Yes.
So it is a kind of a physical.
It is a kind of physical infrastructure which also provide a feel of virtual infrastructure. Like we have we say that we have virtual space. Actually, those virtual space
So
are.
tell me, okay, I'll give you 4 options. What
Hmm.
is WWW? First option is physical infrastructure. Second option is it is an application. Third option, it is actually internet. And fourth, none of these. What is WWW?
It is not just internet, okay, and yes, it is an application, but without infrastructure it cannot work. So I would go with the infrastructure.
Okay, once your interview is over, thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
बोलो भैया ऐसे WWW application
एप्लीकेशन है डिफरेंस आज ही तो देखा था मैं दद्दू बोल के बैठा था कोई
तो इसकी प्रॉब्लम देख
क्वेश्चन रिपीट करता है, जैसे क्वेश्चन तुम पूछते हो
लिखे थे ना पाँच
क्वेश्चन जो तू पूछता है उसको रिपीट करता है।
आ जाओ
आजा हिमांशु,
आजा
आ जाओ
तो चाय
चाय भाई मेरे को 3 ही मिली, गिलास 3 ही थे, और चाय खत्म भी हो गई है।
खत्म हो गई।
थैंक यू
यार तेरी एक तो सबसे बड़ी कमी थी, तो क्वेश्चन के बाद क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर रहा खुद।
हर क्वेश्चन क्या ना, मतलब तू वापस वही क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर रहा था।
यानी तुझे सोच आराम से, क्वेश्चन सुन, सोच मन में सोच, जो भी करना है जो मन में कर, बोले मत उसको वापस से।
मैंने बोला व्हाट इज परवेट फिर आंसर आया वो आ जाता है वो हो जाता है ना अपन नहीं बोलते कई बार
अनकॉन्शियस माइंड, वो अनकॉन्शियस माइंड से चल रहा है, वो तुमको भी नहीं पता कि,
वो पता नहीं होता कि क्या होता है
है ना।
शायद मैं कंफर्म करने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
हाँ
हैंड मूवमेंट
ये बकचोद किया ना मैंने वॉइस रिकॉर्डर लगा दिया उसको स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया सॉरी
अरे यार
सॉरी यार भाई
तो हैंड मूवमेंट
गिरा
कर
नहीं
लो।
चाय
हाँ
कहाँ है?
नहीं है ना, खत्म हो गई
तो इसमें से ले लेना थोड़ी थोड़ी
ला यार एक समोसा
समझ जाने
तो
पेट
नहीं,
भर
मैं नहीं
जाएगा।
लेता चाय
एक कप क्या है क्या कोई
इसको बंद कर यार।
छोड़ ना।
ये साला खाता हुआ आ जाएगी
चाय
कप लेना
ले लो, कोई चाय।
तू नहीं लेगा?
स्टॉप रिकॉर्डिंग।
हाँ ठीक है, मैंने पी ली थोड़ी सी।
अरे ले ले ठीक है।
ले ले रूम में पड़े हैं शायद गिलास तो